Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing rogue device detection. What is a rogue device? A rogue device is an unauthorized or unknown device connected to a network, such as laptops, IoT devices, or malicious hardware, that bypasses security controls. Examples: an employee's personal smartphone connected to the corporate Wi-Fi, a malicious USB device plugged into a workstation, an attacker's rogue wireless access point mimicking a legitimate one, data theft, network access and malware spread, compliance violations that you may see with that shadow IT type of stuff. Why rogue device detection matters: security threats, network integrity, compliance. And a real-world example: an attacker connects a rogue Wi-Fi access point to a corporate network, tricking employees into connecting and stealing credentials. This is an example of a Wi-Fi twin attack, right? I think that's what they call them, Wi-Fi twins, right? Where they make a network that's similar to another network so that people will accidentally connect to the wrong one. And that'll allow them to steal the credentials, which is very bad, right? Rogue device detection techniques. Detecting rogue devices involves identifying unauthorized assets through network monitoring and asset discovery. Active scanning, passive scanning, inventory management. We have traffic analysis with tools like Wireshark, monitor traffic patterns, NetFlow analysis, and DNS queries. For wireless network monitoring, we have tools like AirCrackNG, Kismet, and we have WIDS, which is Wireless Intrusion Detection System. Cisco Meraki is a tool that Cisco uses for the WIDS, right? Endpoint and network access control solutions. Cisco ISE, Aruba, and ClearPass. Endpoint detection and response, anomaly detection, behavioral analysis, and machine learning. Tools for rogue device detections: Nmap, Wireshark, Zeek, Bro, SolarWinds, Kismet, Cisco ISE, Aruba, ClearPass, Splunk, QRadar, and Darktrace. Responding to rogue devices: containment, investigation, eradication, recovery, and documentation. Challenges in rogue device detection: false positives, encrypted traffic, Internet of Things, and bring your own device. That brings that sophisticated vulnerability, like, those type of attacks, right? Rogue device detection: understanding the rogue device risk and detection techniques, using tools like Nmap, Wireshark, and Splunk. For asset recovery: applying network access control and monitoring to prevent unauthorized access. Responding to rogue devices incidents with containment and eradication steps. Expect scenario-based questions like, how would you detect and respond to an unauthorized device on a corporate network? So what is the best practices? Maintain an inventory, right? Implement network access control, monitor continuously and segment networks, integrate in threat intelligence, and educate users. Security awareness training, stuff like that, is how you would educate them. Conclusion: rogue devices detection is essential for maintaining network security and preventing unauthorized access. By mastering asset discovery, monitoring, and incident response, you can protect networks, right? So thank you everybody for watching. Please comment questions down below, or any question that you might have down below. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye.